On Wednesday night, chaos erupted outside Brazil's Supreme Court as two explosions went off in quick succession, prompting an urgent evacuation of the building. The blasts, which occurred mere seconds apart, shook the area surrounding the Supreme Court, a stone's throw from the presidential palace in Brasilia. According to police and eyewitness accounts, the first explosion detonated in a parking lot adjacent to the court.
I was at the bus stop, and this guy just waved hello and didn't say anything else. Then we heard the noise of the explosions. I looked back at the noise and saw fire and smoke. The Supreme Court security guards came. When they were coming, he had already thrown something at the Statue of Justice. When the STF security guards were approaching, he threw something again. That's when it blew off, and he fell to the ground.
Local television footage captured the disturbing sight of the explosion originating from the trunk of a parked car. Authorities immediately evacuated the justices and launched a full-scale sweep of the area, searching for other potential explosives. The nation's Solicitor General took to social media to condemn the events as an attack, underscoring the gravity of the incident. Tragically, a man was killed in the second blast, his body found in the square just outside the court. His connection to the explosions remains unclear. UL, a prominent local news outlet, reported that a man carrying explosives was spotted near the front of the Supreme Court, though the source of this information was not disclosed. The explosions occurred only minutes after President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva had departed from the presidential palace across the square, adding a heightened sense of urgency to the situation. The swift evacuation of the court's justices and the rapid response from security forces underscored Brazil's escalating security concerns in light of the attack. As police and emergency responders continue their investigation, the shocking explosions outside Brazil's highest court cast a shadow over Brasilia, raising questions and fears about the country's security landscape and political stability. Why?